everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. I just want to do a test for you. I picked up this N07 Beautifully Matte Foundation, normal to oily skin. Coverage is medium to full. All Day Velvet Matte Perfection, oil free, SPF of 15, and the colour is in Warm Ivory. Now, I can't remember how much these foundations are usually, but I picked this up in my local Boots for £5 because it's the old packaging, and the packaging is a little bit worse for wear on the bottom there. So I thought I'd never tried. I mean, I'm not a great one for wearing foundation these days. I don't know, it just seems to sit funny on my skin. I can never get anything to sit properly. And I'd never ever tried a N07 foundation, so I thought, when I saw these up for £5, I thought I'd give them a go. Alright, I'm going to try two ways of putting the foundation on. I'm going to cut my face into half, you know, mark it into half. On one side I'm going to use a damp Real Techniques sponge, and then on the other half I'm going to use this Tarte foundation brush. When I used to use foundation, this is what I used to use a lot of the time, or a sponge, and this used to put it on really nice. So we're going to blow my nose, sorry, I should have done this first. I have a small amount of eye makeup on. I will show you that at the end, or you'll see it. So we'll get started. I'm going to tuck that hair behind my ears, and then I've got a clip. I'm going to clip up my fringe out of the way. Oh, I look awful with my hair back. I've got really high forehead and I don't like it. Right, so I'm going to squeeze some of this out onto the back of my hand. I don't know how much I need. So I'm going to start with the blender, and I'm going to dab it on this side to start with. I've just got on my face, I've just got first of all I put my usual moisturiser on, and then I use this Soap and Glory Bright and Pearly Radiance cream. To put down, and then on my eyes I've got I said I was going to show you at the end, but I might as well show you. I'm talking. This P. Louise base on my eyes in Rumour 01, and then I've patted that down with my Brulee from Wet n Wild. And then I've put a contour colour in, which is my usual from the Natural Collection, Boots Natural Collection, in, oh, what's it called, Milk Chocolate. And then my usual mascaras. These are a new set of mascaras. So we've got the base, the Tarte mascara, and then the Body Shop waterproof mascara. And then I used Collection brown eyeliner on the top. And my eyebrows are from Mark, from Avon. I need to defluff my face. I should have done this before. Rats, before I decided to do a foundation review, shouldn't I? It's bad. Right, I'm going to use the pointy end and take some of that off, that's too much, and go under my eye best I can. So right, so we will take, I've still got some on there, take the brush, which is dry brush, and we will start popping down the foundation. If I've not gone, well, I'll go to the centre of my nose there. Do a little bit more. So I hope you're all right. I did say I was going to come back with a load of videos, didn't I? But I still haven't. I'm just trying. Still trying to get my, I don't know, myself back into gear, and you know, getting an interest back into my YouTube channel. You know, it's I'm finding it really hard. I don't know, I really don't know what's wrong with me. I'll go through the middle of my brows with the brush. I just don't seem to feel like I've got I don't know. I haven't. I still love makeup, and I still love my channel, but it's just getting myself into gear and putting the two together. I've only gone to the edge of my jaw. I haven't gone, you know. There. I'll zoom you in a fraction. Oh, got itchy nose. So this is the side with the brush. And then that's the side with the blender. See, I feel that the foundation on me sort of sits and sort of, I don't know. I mean, here it seems to sit and sort of collect. And I think it makes the lines and the little marks on my face, I feel that it looks worse. I was hoping that a N07 foundation was going to make that a lot different. And then that is the side with the brush, which I feel is a heck of a lot worse here, especially. And here seems to collect on my nose. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put on some contour and finish it properly. And I didn't bring my brushes down. I never thought to do this. Where's my brush? Where's my contour brush? There we go. Right. We will started to contour under here after seeing it's on Chocky Kaz's channel from a lady who Karen had watched on a different channel. I can't remember the lady's channel or the lady's name, unfortunately. And she'd started contouring rather than here. She's doing it just under the cheekbone or trying to, and then just blend. Let the fringe down now. Just blend around there, and just then underneath the chin, and then I need a blusher. Now this is a very old blusher from MAC, and it's called Fever. Scary in the pan, but a lovely blush rather. So I'm just taking a flat top, like kabuki brush with a longer handle, and just starting. I've done something that you should never do. You should never start with your blush just there. You should always start with your blusher at the back, and then bring it to the front. So that's something you should never do. And I always bring a little bit of my blusher up around my temple. And then get a fluffy brush, a large fluffy brush. This is a Real Techniques brush, and it's a powder brush. And then just gently blend those out together a little. And then I'm going to put on a red lipstick because I've got a red scarf and some red earrings, trying to get a little bit of festive spirit here. And I haven't picked out my red lip liner. Oh gosh, good job it's not far away. I'm just sorting, if you can hear me scrabbling around, I'm trying to look for my red lip liner in here. Oh, I'll find a pink one. There's a red one. It's not my usual lip, oh, better move you down so you can see. It's not my usual lip liner that I use, but it will be okay. I have used it before, it's not too bad. Oh, before I started, I put on a lip balm, and it's the EOS lip balm. And this one is in Frosted Plum or something like that. So I will pat that off. Oh, I put glasses on, I think. It'll be a good idea, don't you? That's better. Oh, skin looks even worse now. Now I've got my glasses on. I really do not like foundation now. Now my skin's got older. I do prefer to go barefaced and then put my blusher and everything else onto a bare face. Right. And the lipstick I'm using is from Essence, and it is called, oh, it's a velvet matte lipstick in 09, doesn't have a name. And it looks like that. There we go. There we are. Oh, my glasses are lopsided, they need looking at. I mean, from a distance, I prefer this side with the sponge to the brush. But from a distance, that looks really nice. But as soon as I come in close, I'm really, really not liking it. Please let me know what you think, which side looks the better, and see, tell me if I'm, lipstick on my teeth, tell me if I'm seeing things that aren't there, like, you know, I feel that it just, as I said when I was putting it on, I just don't like how it settles on my skin. I really thought that number 7 would be different, but I don't feel it is. To any of my other foundations that I've got that are still okay, or ones I've had in the past, I'm just, you know, years ago I used to wear full face, total full face, and I was quite happy with the foundations I bought. I had all sorts of different ones, from Maybelline through to Collection, Catrice, Essence, Maybelline, and I've said Maybelline, haven't I? All the top brands like Max Factor, I've had them from there. And I've been okay with them, but I just, you know, I've just said I don't feel happy with it. But just let me know what you think, if you would. I mean, I love it from a distance, as I've just said. You know, it looks finished, but as soon as I come up and look in the mirror and see what other people see when they're close to me, I'm just not happy. Whether it will change through the day as it sort of settles with my skin a little bit, I don't know. I'll have to let you know about that in another video, because as you know, I don't edit, so you know, I can't add on at the end of the day to this video. I'm too lazy to edit. And I don't like over edited videos. I like to see some of the mistakes, the goughs, you know, and whatever. And as the video comes out, I like to see the more natural video, which I do, which means for me no editing at all. So there you go. That is the number 7. I've lost the lid. Number 7 Beautifully Matte Foundation. I mean, if I come back in another video and I've decided that I really do not like it, this will be up for grabs if anybody would be interested in taking it off my hands. If I decide that I want to get rid of it, you can leave me a comment in the next video that I do, and I'll let you know then if I'm not liking it and I want to sort of, you know, give it to someone so it doesn't go to waste. So I'll see you again in another video where we'll have a review of how it's settled and if I've liked it or not later through the day. So thank you everyone for bearing with me. I've gabbled on through another video and made it much longer than it should have been. So take care everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.